channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated sedans of the year, the 2025 Toyota Corolla Sedan. The Corolla has been a household name for decades, and with each new model, Toyota raises the bar. This time is no different. So, let's jump right in and see what the 2025 model has to offer. First off, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Sedan has received a sleek and modern redesign, making it one of the most attractive compact sedans on the market. The front fascia is dominated by a bold, honeycomb grille that gives the Corolla an assertive presence on the road. The sharp, angular LED headlights extend seamlessly into the front fenders, adding to the car's aggressive stance. Moving along the sides, you'll notice the sculpted body lines that give the Corolla a sense of motion, even when it's standing still. The 2025 model sits lower and wider than its predecessor, enhancing both its sporty appearance and its aerodynamic efficiency. The Corolla is available in several new colors, including a stunning metallic blue that really catches the eye. The alloy wheels, ranging from 16 to 18 inches depending on the trim, are designed to complement the car's dynamic look, with some trims even featuring blacked-out rims for a more performance-oriented vibe. As we reach the rear, the Corolla continues to impress. The LED taillights are connected by a sleek, gloss black trim that accentuates the car's width. The rear bumper has been refined for a cleaner, more polished appearance, while the dual exhaust tips on sportier trims hint at the car's enhanced performance capabilities. Now let's get under the hood and talk performance. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Sedan comes with two engine options, catering to a wide range of drivers. The base model features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 169 horsepower and 151 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission CVT, providing smooth acceleration and excellent fuel efficiency, making it perfect for daily commutes and long highway drives. For those who crave a bit more excitement, Toyota offers a more powerful 2.0-liter dynamic force engine with 200 horsepower. This engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, available on the C and X SE trims, giving driving enthusiasts a more engaging experience behind the wheel. The suspension has also been tuned for a more responsive and comfortable ride, with the sport-tuned suspension on higher trims providing sharper handling without sacrificing comfort. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the 2025 Corolla Sedan doesn't disappoint. The base engine delivers an impressive 32 miles per gallon in the city and 41 miles per gallon on the highway, making it one of the most fuel-efficient vehicles in its class. The more powerful engine still manages respectable figures, with 28 miles per gallon in the city and 37 on the highway. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the 2025 Corolla Sedan is no exception. It comes standard with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0, which includes features like pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, and road sign assist. Higher trims also offer blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert for added peace of mind. Finally, let's talk pricing. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Sedan offers great value, with the base model starting at just $22,000. For this price, you get a well-equipped sedan with modern technology, a comfortable interior, and a stylish exterior. The C and X SE trims, which come with the more powerful engine and sportier features, start at around $26,000 and can go up to $30,000 with additional options. Even at the top end, the Corolla remains an affordable option for those looking for a reliable, efficient, and fun-to-drive sedan. In summary, the 2025 Toyota Corolla Sedan is a standout in the compact sedan segment. With its bold new design, versatile performance options, and competitive pricing, it's a car that continues to live up to the Corolla name. Whether you're looking for a fuel-efficient commuter or a sporty daily driver, the Corolla has something for everyone. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth car reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Corolla, and if you're considering making it your next car. See you in the next video.